Pythons expand territory. Unverified but credible sighting for first time in Lock's refuge. It's November 9th. The lost stronghold of the northern Everglades. The sprawling scruff of Emerald in western Palm Beach County had its first reported invasive python sightings as part of the Burmese python this fall as the parasite slithers north. Biologists had long suspected the destructive snake was in the Arthur R. Marshall Loxahatchee National Wildlife Refuge after python DNA was detected in the preserved's veins of fresh water. But as recently as late October, invasive plant control contractors for the South Florida Water Management District put eyes on one of the voracious eaters, adding to two other unverified but credible sightings. This first unverified keeps showing up. We have finally unhappily sighted a Burmese python in the interior of the refuge, said University of Florida wildlife professor Frank Mazzotti, who leads the Croc Docs research team out of Fort Lauderdale. Mike Kirkland, an invasive animal biologist for the Water Management District, said he is meeting with refuge officials this week to discuss how they should best counter the nascent visible python assault. Besides attempting to capture the python, the best thing to do includes reporting the sighting immediately so a python rapid response unit. In another world, when I was younger, they just killed them all. I guess, wow. We live in a time where even snakes have a lot of rights. Yeah. So that's interesting. The pythons. Let's see. Let's stop this. Burmese python.